Site visits and scheduling. This video in the Fergus demo series will look at site visits and scheduling. Let's talk about site visits and how we actually use the term site visit. Site visits are unique to Fergus. When a quote or estimate is accepted or a job is created as a charge up, Fergus automatically creates the first site visit, Site Visit A. A site visit is a module within a job card. Each site visit is used to record what happens at site and all related costs for that specific site visit. A job can have multiple site visits, and each site visit can have multiple scheduled visits over multiple days for multiple people. Site visits aren't necessarily organized by days, but rather by the different stages of the job. For example, a plumbing company may organize a job across 3 site visits: disconnect, pre-pipe, and fit off. Each site visit can have its own title and description for the work that needs to be carried out for that specific site visit. It works really well when site visits correspond with how you want to send out progress invoices. The first site visit is made automatically when you make the job, and smaller jobs will often only have one site visit. When a job has multiple site visits, each site visit can move through the status board independently. In a site visit, tradespeople can enter labor, job descriptions, materials, invoices and credits, and notes and queries. This will make more sense when we go through how jobs move through Fergus later. But for now, think of a site visit as a segment of a larger job. Let's create 3 site visits for our job. Site Visit A, disconnect, Site Visit B, pre-pipe, and Site Visit C, fit off. From here, each site visit will move through the status board independently. We don't necessarily need to create all the site visits at the beginning of the job, as we can create them as we go. Most people create site visits as they are ready for each stage of the work, but we've created 3 to start with. Select the site visit from the menu on the left to view the corresponding site visit to the right. Let's say the disconnect part of the work is ready to be done for this job, so let's schedule the work. We'll schedule the site visit for just one person for one day. Drag the job from the left of the calendar to where you want to schedule it. Then close the scheduler. Let's take a look at where the site visit is now sitting on the status board on the home page. It's moved from the orange to schedule status to the green site visits ready to start because we've already scheduled it. The pre-pipe and fit-off site visits remain in the orange to schedule status as we've yet to schedule them. Once a site visit is scheduled, what the scheduled tradesperson does to the site visit will determine where it sits on the status board. And this brings us to the end of site visits and scheduling. The next video on this demo series will look at the Fergus mobile app. Thank you for watching.